Hi, my name is Michelle Magala, and I am the CEO of Hickory Industries. Our products and services are in 3 different camps, as I like to think of them. The first camp is cooking chicken or cooking meats. So it would be our rotisseries that come in all sorts of different variation. Then we've got the accessories, so any accessories that make cooking easier. And then lastly, holding that food that you just cooked. Display warmers for those grab-and-go customers. So those are the 3 segments of our products. What makes us different is that we are people-oriented, whether it be because people are actually building the machine that is made to last, or it be people are actually answering the phones. Everything about us is people, people, people. And it might seem like a simple idea, but we're moving towards a generation where we're kind of forgetting that people aspect. So we're definitely, holding on to that, and that's what makes us different. Being a part of NJMEP has been tremendous, in not only just, the business side, but also the personal development side. It's provided a lot of value being a part of NJMEP, whether it be chatting with some people who give me advice to start journaling about work, which I have been doing, which has provided so much relief.
My name is Charles Tiburcio. I'm the plant manager of Hickory Industries, and I've been here since 1992. Working here is great. I've been here a long time. I like the environment. I just like the atmosphere. It's like a close family because I've known a lot of these guys a long time. I'm proud of seeing the final product go out the door. I enjoy seeing the machine complete, and I know that my hands touched it somehow, and it was able to go out to a restaurant and somebody would enjoy to use it.